What's up, everybody? So, again, I'm back with a funny Punjabi story. Basically, this video is about a chief family. They are representing a chief family because some family are so cheap, even they don't want to buy anything to their kids, right? Even they can afford it, but they just don't want to do it. So they are just representing this video and they make it funny. So first, I just let it play. You can just listen and try to understand what you can. After that, I'm gonna explain it step by step. All right, just listen it at the beginning.
ਕਿਉਂ ਪੀਤੀ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਤੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਪੀਣ ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਪੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਨਾਲੇ ਪੀਣ ਖਾਤਰ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਫਰੂਟੀਆਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਪੀ ਗਏ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕੁੱਟਣਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਯਾਰ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਕੱਲ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਪੀ ਗਈ ਇਹ ਮਗਰੋਂ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਹਾਂ ਕੌਣ ਲੈ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਮੈਂ ਲਿਆਈ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਹੁਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਸੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਪੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਖੜਾ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਲਿਆਈ ਕਿਉਂ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਖਾਤਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਲਿਆਈ ਕਿਉਂ ਬਣਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਿਆ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੀਤੀ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਤੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ
All right, so now I'm gonna explain. He said, "Tu kyon piti frutti?" Right? No, I think he said like, "Kyon piti frutti tu?" First thing you need to notice is he is not following the sentence structure. He put tu at the end. Mostly we put tu at the beginning, right? Because that's all we do a lot of times. Because we don't think about sentence structure. We just explain the way we explain. All right. So what does it mean? He said, "Kyon piti fruity tum?" It means like, why did you drink that fruity? All right. He is angry on that girl, right? Because she drank the fruity, right? Then he said, "Tenu kene kiha si fruity peen nu?" Right. So you would also notice he say "Kyon piti," right? The word pina, which means drink, and in past is pita. He uses piti because it is a feminine word. The fruity is feminine word, that's why it's going to be a piti. Again, I'm not gonna explain every single word here because it's gonna too long. So I also explain on this same video on my podcast. Make sure you go there and listen. My podcast name is Learn Punjabi Like a Native. So I explain it very detailed in 20 minutes. All right, you can go there and listen it. So I'm gonna explain it a little bit short here. So yeah, so he is angry on that girl because she drink the fruity. All right, let's listen more. All right, she said मैं तो थोड़ी जी पीती सी. All right, she said I drink little bit. Another thing you need to notice is the way the girl is using is so like a natural, right? Mostly sorry, so mostly the people, the non-native speaker, they say मैं थोड़ी जी fruity पीती सी, right? मैं थोड़ी fruity पीती, something like that. The colloquially, the filler word she is using, मैं तां is a filler word, right? थोड़ी जी, see you जी, here she is not putting a respect to a fruity because this is our just style. I also explained this thing when we use G on my podcast. Make sure you listen that one. All right. So she said मैं तो थोड़ी जी, it means I drink a little bit.
ਪੀਤੀ ਸੀ ਨਾਲੇ ਪੀਣ ਖਾਤਰ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ
Then he peen khatar lendi si ho. The khatar word is lay, alright, which means for. It depends. We say vaste, some people say khatar, some people say lay, alright. Even my own well, some people use khatar, but I personally use vaste, which means same. The vaste and khatar and lay, it means for, right? He said peen khatar lendi si ho, right? He's angry, like did we bought it, like did I bought it for drink? Right? Basically, you bought like a fruity for drinking, but he is angry on the girl because she wasn't supposed to drink it. All right. So let's listen more.
ਫਰੂਟੀਆਂ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਪੀ ਗਏ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ
Then say सारी fruity जाके सारियां fruitiयां जाके पी गई उथों, right? He said everything, like she drank it all, right? Then another guy came, maybe it's her brother, whatever. He said, "Oh, ki ho gaya?" Like, what happened now? He want to know what happened. Like, "Oh, ki ho gaya?" He said.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ
He said, "Ki ho gaya tum inu kutti jana," right? Like, what happened? Why you are beating her? That's what he was saying. Now he said kutti jana again. this is a continued tense. He said, why you are like, tu kya kutti jana, right? Kutti jana. The way he used the verb. You notice that's how we do. We don't use a textbook style like a tu inu kya kut reha ha. It's going to text, but he didn't use that. He used a colloquial bit. Tu kya kutti jana. Like, why are you beating her, right? So basically, yeah. So just listen more.
ਨਹੀਂ ਯਾਰ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਕੱਲ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੱਕ ਕੇ ਪੀ ਗਈ
He said he bring a fruity. He brought a fruity or buy a fruity yesterday, but she drank it all. Right. That's why he is beating her. So he gave the reason to him, right? Because she wasn't supposed to drink that fruity. Maybe he like buy it for somebody else. That's why he is angry on her. So it shows you how cheap this family is. This guy, if your kid or little girl drink a fruity, you can buy another one. Why you're angry on her? But that's how some cheap families are. That's why they are representing in this video, right?
ਇਹ ਮਗਰੋਂ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਹਾਂ ਕੌਣ ਲੈ ਸੀ ਫਰੂਟੀ
Then he said fruity. The other guy like a kaun liya si, right? Kaun liya si, like who bring the fruity or who bought the fruity.
ਮੈਂ ਲੈ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣੇ
He said ਮੈਂ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣਾ, right? ਮੈਂ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, it means I brought it or I bought it because ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਣਾ, like well our relatives are going to come tomorrow, right? Because their relatives are going to come tomorrow. That's why he bought it. That's why he was telling you.
ਤੇਰੇ ਸਹੁਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ
Okay, ਤੇਰੇ ਸਹੁਰੇ ਨੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਰ. Sahre means like your law family. Like this guy, the yellow shirt, his law family is going to come tomorrow. That's why he bought the fruities so they can give to their family. But now the little girl drink it. They don't have. Maybe he was thinking of about he have to buy more, so they have to, it cost more. So that's why he was angry on little girl because they are cheaper guy.
ਮੇਰਾ ਖੜਾ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਲਿਆਈ ਕਿਉਂ
So there's maybe such a big brother. He was even more cheap guy than his other brother, right? He was angry on him, like mere salia, right? He used a curse word. Tu fruity liai kyun? It means why the fuck you bought a fruity, right? He is so angry on that guy now because he is more cheaper. The first guy, he was cheaper because maybe yeah, he didn't want to buy a fruity for his own family, the kids, whatever, because he cheap and he just want to buy for relatives. But the other guy, maybe his older brother, he is more cheap guy. He didn't want to spend money at all, even for relatives, whatever. Right now, he is angry on him. Right? Tu mere sala, right? He used a cuss word. Mere sala. Sala means like a your law brother is also used as a cuss word in Punjabi culture. So he is angry on tu mere sala fruity liya kya? Like why the fuck you bought the fruity? That's why he expressing himself. All right.
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਖਾਤਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ
Alright, he said मैं ਤਾਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਖਾਤਰ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ, like I bought it for relatives. That's what he was saying, right? ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਖਾਤਰ ਲਿਆਇਆ ਸੀ.
ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਫਰੂਟੀ ਲਿਆਈ ਕਿਉਂ
Oh, then he says ਫੜਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ. Again, the cuss word he used, he's angry on him. ਤੂੰ fruity ਲਿਆਏ ਕਿਉਂ? Again, he said same thing. Why the fuck you bought it? Right? Why the fuck you bought the fruity?
ਨਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ
Now he's a pan dinner, right? Again, the cuss word he didn't use completely because this is a little soft. He didn't say any bad, but he just mentioned a pan dinner, right? Like nuksan tum karta, nuksan like you did the damage, all right? You did the damage because they have to spend the money. Right? That's the damage they are considering.
ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ
ਤੇਰਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦਾ, right? It means you was not supposed to buy it at the first place. That's what he was saying to him. He was so angry on him, right? So yeah, yeah, that's it. So basically, they represent a G family. They didn't want to spend money at all on their kids, and his older brother, even he's a more cheaper guy, right? So that's the funny thing. I hope you learn something, a vocabulary, and you also learn how we use the sentences, how it's different than textbook, right? So yeah.